As obsessed as I am with Chanel, and I am obsessed with Chanel, we all know that I've been going through a Dior phase of life. I am in a Dior phase of life, and Jonathan Anderson keeps adding to it, but what really added to it is I saw the Devil Wears Prada preview. I've yet to see the movie, sorry, the Devil Wears Prada 2, because all we have left in this world is nostalgia, and I knew immediately I had to get this item. So I already had this, right, from when I went to Paris in January, and I had been holding out on a full look situation, but I saw Emily from Devil Wears Prada wearing the full look, and I was like, I need it. I sized up in this. I took a 44. I think right now I'm a 42, but it is so frickin' cute. I will try it on for you. Yes, I will. Okay, be right back. I just figured, given the obsession that I had with that movie, the first movie, for so long, and are you wearing the Chanel boots? Well, yes, I am. I just felt like it would feel like something was missing if I didn't fully commit to the bit and just get the whole thing. This is not the right angle, you guys. Moving you around, like giant chess pieces. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm glad I have it. It's very sheer. I'm not sure under what circumstances. I mean, maybe under any circumstances it would make sense to wear. And I didn't want it too tight, so I'm glad I sized up. There are pockets. I guess it was a little crooked, but I don't feel like they're flaring terribly. It's well made. It's well constructed. It's good. We have one more item because devastatingly, my favorite jeans that I also got in Paris at Dior in January needed to be sent for repair. There was a fault with the zipper, and I was like, I can't take it. But then I saw these online. Let me show you what really got me with these. So cutesy. It's just a little peeking out, little bow peeking out. It's like the medallion. It's so sweetie, but like not huge in a way. So I'll throw them on. Why not? Okay, well, never mind, because I just realized that there is a fault with these jeans. There is a tooth missing from the zipper. And so, of course, now the zipper on these is broken again. It is not me. Never in my life have I had this happen, but now it's two different pairs of Dior jeans, which is a shame because I love the fit of the Dior jeans, but maybe they're just not for me. I have been very much onto my Kate denim lately, I will say that. And they're like half the price. So maybe the world's speaking to me. Wow, what a weird twist ending to this video. We are not trying on the jeans, but we do have, and I took the jacket off because I was like sweating. And sad, and had to complain to my husband about how they're not good. And then I texted my fashion advisor, and so, all right, to be continued. What a mood buster, am I right? So yeah, so I have this suit from Devil Wears Prada 2. Should I wear it to the movies? Is that overkill? I think that's overkill. But I still really like it, and it's really cute. Oh my gosh, this zipper better not give out on me. This is this is like a hidden zipper. That's like a metal zipper. There are two different zippers. I can calm down. Okay, anyways, this is real life. This is real time. This is why I've probably been struggling to do YouTube videos, because everything is a freaking rigmarole versus just sitting and yapping. All right, I will quit complaining. I hope you're all having a really great day, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.